Welcome to Cultural Cuisine. Today we will be making some baked biscuits, and I have a younger baker with me. It's my son. He will be making some shortbreads with you.
Hello. So today we're making lemon shortbread. I've got here 90 grams of plain flour, 62 grams of butter, unsalted, 27 grams of caster sugar, a half zest of a lemon, and 1 teaspoon of caster sugar to sprinkle on top. Let's get into the baking. We're going to mix the butter and the sugar together. Alright, now I'm going to add the lemon zest.
You can use your finger to take it out.
Now mix it together. Okay, now I'll add the flour. Just a little bit at a time. Okay, I've added the rest of the flour. I'm going to mix it all together nicely with my hands.
So how many biscuits with this recipe will give us?
This will make about 10 to 13 biscuits. You can always multiply it to get more though. Now I'm going to put it on the work surface and I'm going to make it so that it's like dough. Now they're all made. Before we put them in the fridge, I need to sprinkle some sugar on it.
So this quantity has given us 8 biscuits, or you can always increase the amount to make more. Shortbread are supposed to be a little bit thick in size, so you can make them any shape, any size, but they're supposed to be a bit thick. How long are we going to keep them in the fridge for?
Just 10 minutes. Let's put them in the fridge now.
Okay.
So it's been about 10 minutes after taking them out of the fridge. Now we're going to put it in the oven for around 10 to 12 minutes. So see you after that.
Okay, I'll help you to put them in the oven.
Okay.
Okay.
Well, now they're ready. Let's see what it looks on the inside. Looks well done.
You can enjoy them with the tea, and they're very easy to make. Even my 12-year-old can make. It's very quick and easy recipe. Please enjoy it with tea. And remember, if you like the recipe, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and press the bell icon to receive the notifications of upcoming videos. And see you soon with another exciting dish.